Hi, beautiful family. Have you been wondering if those banana peels you throw away can be the secret to longer, thicker hair? In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to use banana peels to make powerful hair solution that will have your hair grow like crazy and reduce hair fall and hair loss. Trust me, after watching this video, you will never throw away banana peel anymore. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you step by step on how to make this recipe. Do you know that banana peel contain a lot of nutrients that will help your hair to grow, solve that problems like itching scalp, hair fall, scalp irritation, dandruff, and so many of them. So I will show you the perfect way to use this banana peel, and there's some ingredients I'll add on it to make it more powerful, more potent, and more effectively. So you just need to cool down and watch this video to the end, because this video packed with a lot of informations that will help you to achieve that your hair goal. First step is to wash your banana peel. Make sure that you wash this banana peel to remove dirty and impurities. It's very important. You can wash it 2 to 3 times. Make sure that the banana peel is super clean before you move to the process. So if you have overripe banana peel, is okay, or if you have the type of banana peel I have, is still okay. And also, it's not necessary you must have plenty banana peel like the way I have here. You can use 2 to 3 pieces of banana peel and you're good to go. Okay, so I've just tried to clear you so that you don't have any excuse not to prepare this recipe. Even one banana peel can still give you good results you desire. Okay, so after washing the first one, I went off camera to watch the second one. So this is the water of the third one. Okay, next thing now to do now is to remove the head and the tail of this banana peel. They are not needed. Okay, just cut out the tail and the head off. So after cutting out the tail and the hair, this is what I have so far. I'll move it aside and bring my jar, okay, my clean jar. So I want to do this by infusion method. So you can do boiling method, but believe me, when you do infusion method, the benefit of this banana peel will be more potent and more intact than when you do boiling method. Okay, so I'm just trying to put my banana peel into my jar container the way it is. So you can also cut it in a small pieces, okay, so that the necessity of cutting it so that the banana peel can soak very well into the water we add on it. So next ingredient I will add in this banana peel to take it to next level, to make it more powerful, more effective, more potent, is gloves. Gloves is a very game changer in our hair growth. Combination of this banana peel and the gloves, it really promotes faster hair growth, stop hair fall, condition your hair, and solve a lot of hair problems. Okay, so you can use 10 pieces, 20 pieces, or any amount of gloves you choose to add on it. So I just use 1 tablespoon of my gloves. Okay, so next thing now is to bring my hot water. I make sure that this hot water cover the banana peel itself. Okay, you can see the first one I poured did not cover the banana peel. I bring more hot water again to pour on it to cover the banana peel. After then, I will cover it up and keep it to infuse for 2 days. Yes, infusing it for 2 days will make this banana peel more potent, more effective, and more powerful, okay, to get all the nutrients of this banana peel. You don't need to be in hurry to infuse it for 8 hours or 1 day. Just be patient and infuse it for that 2 days. Believe me, the result we got infusing it for 2 days, it will not be the same result infusing it for 1 day. You can even as well infuse it up to 3 days, 4 days, but at least 2 days will be more potent. Okay, just try to follow the instruction I gave to you in this video and you will never regret using this peel on your hair. Okay, after 2 days later, our banana peel solution spray is ready to be used. Do you see how concentrated, how potent, how powerful and effective this spray look like? This spray is indeed a game changer. With this spray, say bye-bye to that hair fall, hair loss, dryness, itching scalp, dandruff and so many of them. This spray will thicken up your hair, give you longer healthy hair. So I will show you the perfect way to use this spray to get that best results this spray meant to give to you. If you do not use it in a right way, believe me, you will not get that good benefit with this spray. But there is something I want to point out before I will tell you how to use this spray on your hair for that best results. Please do not infuse this less than 2 days. Infusing it 2 days to 3 days, it will help this banana peel and the gloves to release their nutrients properly, so that to make this spray to be more concentrated, more potent and more effective to help you to solve those your hair problems. If you infuse it below 2 days, 1 day or 8 hours or 12 hours, this spray will not be this potent and this concentrated. So if you really want this to work for you very well, to get all the benefits of this banana peel and gloves, please infuse it 2 days to 3 days and you will be very happy you do so. First of all, let's talk the benefits of banana peel in our hair. Banana peel contains antioxidants, potassium and vitamins A, B, C and E, which nourish the scalp and stimulate hair follicles for faster hair growth. It is anti-inflammatory and the antimicrobial properties help smooth the scalp, reduce dandruff, itchiness and irritation that can hinder hair growth. Banana peel strengthens hair from the roots, prevents breakage and thinning hair. Banana peel acts like a natural conditioner. It smooths the hair cuticles, adds shine and leave hair softer and manageable. It's a natural oil and water contain hydrating dry hair, brittle hair and make it specially helpful for fuzzy and kinky texture hair. Banana peel improve circulation to the scalp, help reduce hair loss and the shedding over time. These are the benefits of using banana peel on your hair, and as you can see, all these benefits of using banana peel in our hair is what we really need in our hair growth routine, for us to grow our hair, for us to have that healthy hair. Do you see that using banana peel on your hair is not a mistake? It's not something that you need to joke with, or something that if you start using it, you have regret on it. You will never have regret of using banana peel on your hair. How to use it to get that best results? Use it as your leave-in treatment. Don't wash it out. And this banana peel will help to condition your hair. It's real. It helps to condition your hair. Immediately you apply it on your hair, you feel that condition effect on your hair. So allow this banana peel to sit on your hair to give you that best results. How many times can you apply this for that best result? Use it only 3 to 4 times in a week for that best result, okay? And storage, this banana peel spray can last only about 7 days in your refrigerator. After then, anyone that remaining, please discard it and make a fresh batch. I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you have not joined this beautiful family, please do well to click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, please do well to turn on your post notification bell to all, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload amazing videos like this. Welcome to the family. And if you have find this video helpful, you have not liked, please help me to click on that like button. It really helped me a lot. It helped the growth of this channel. Thank you so much. Lastly, share this video to your family and friends so that they get the good news on today's video, to know the best way to use banana peel to grow their hair, to solve their hair problems. I've come to end of today's video. If there's anything I did not cover up in this video, please feel free to let me know in comment section below. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.